Welcome to our latest video showcasing the best Amazon household gadgets you'll actually use every day. From time-saving cleaning tools to smart solutions for home organization, these gadgets are designed to make your daily life easier. Transform your garage with the Wise Smart Garage Door Opener. Remotely control and monitor your door via the Wise app with no need for extra sensors or wiring. Enjoy 1080p HD video with color night vision, motion detection alerts, and a built-in mini siren for added security. Forgot to close the door? Get instant notifications to keep your home secure. Easy to install and compatible with your existing setup, this device makes your garage smarter and safer. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is your ultimate cleaning companion, combining powerful vacuuming and mopping in one. It detects and avoids obstacles like pet waste, cleans messes thoroughly with Dirt Detect technology, and empties itself for up to 60 days. Switch between vacuuming and mopping with ease. Enjoy room-specific cleaning with smart mapping and control it hands-free with Alexa. Spend less time cleaning and more time living. Effortlessly maintain a flawless lawn with the Segway Navimow, the robotic mower that redefines convenience. Using advanced technology, it navigates with centimetre-level precision, even in complex layouts or under tree cover. Say goodbye to perimeter wires. Navimow's AI-assisted mapping creates virtual boundaries in minutes via the app. Transform your home into a haven of fresh, clean air with the Air Purifier. Perfect for large rooms, its filtration system captures 99.97% of airborne particles, ensuring a healthier, odor-free environment. The display and smart sensors monitor air quality in real time, automatically adjusting settings to keep your space safe and fresh. Enjoy Whisper Quiet Sleep Mode and the calming aromatherapy feature for restful nights. With versatile smart modes, effortless maintenance, and certified quality, this air purifier delivers powerful, reliable air care for your home. Keep your refrigerator fresh and odor-free with the advanced refrigerator deodorizer. Utilizing cutting-edge catalytic decomposition technology, it neutralizes harmful gases and eliminates odors at the source, extending the freshness of your food. Unlike baking soda or activated carbon, this eco-friendly solution lasts up to 10 years without replacements, reducing waste and saving you money. A thoughtful and lasting gift. This deodorizer is perfect for maintaining a healthier, fresher environment. The Blade-Made Ceiling Fan Cleaner is a versatile tool designed to effortlessly clean ceiling fans, lighting fixtures, baseboards, and more. Its unique four-sided cleaning sleeve fits around fan blades up to 7 3/8 inches, removing dust and grime in one sweep. The Easy Grip telescoping handle extends up to 3 feet, allowing you to clean high places without a ladder. The microfiber pads are removable, washable, and reusable, perfect for use with or without cleaners. The kit includes a 3-foot telescoping pole, cleaning head, microfiber pads, and a bonus flexible dusting brush for added convenience. The ice cream maker is perfect for creating a variety of frozen treats like gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, and more. With 7 one-touch programs, you can easily make custom desserts by adjusting speed, pressure, and time for the perfect consistency. The telescoping gutter cleaning wand extends from 40 to 70 inches, allowing easy access to hard-to-reach gutters. Its 180-degree rotating zinc sweeper nozzle provides adjustable spray direction, while the 4-position spray head ensures perfect water control. The lightweight, non-corrosive construction guarantees durability. The iVac Home Touchless vacuum is a powerful, corded, bagless vacuum with automatic sensors that activate the unit when you sweep debris into it. It efficiently removes dust, pet hair, food, dirt, and kitty litter, making it ideal for pet owners and parents. The vacuum features high-efficiency filters that clean the air by removing dirt and returning clean air to the environment. Its touchless operation makes cleaning easy, and it eliminates the need for bending over with a dustpan. The electric toilet brush features a high-speed rotating brush head for efficient cleaning, especially for tough stains. Its silicone brush head is soft, preventing damage to the toilet. The wall-mounted base keeps the brush dry and odour-free, while the rechargeable battery offers long-lasting use. An automatic cleaning light activates once the brush is done, ensuring easy and effective cleaning. Thanks for watching. We hope you found some new household gadgets that will make your daily routines more efficient and enjoyable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful product recommendations.